Hi, it's Connie at Stanley Steemer. We're going to do something new called Steam Team on the Street. So here we go. Bobby, if there was one thing you could have Stanley Steemer come out to your house and clean, what would it be?
It would be my towel and grout cleaned in my shower.
Lamont, if there was one thing that you could have Stanley Steemer do to clean your home or clean something in your home, what would it be?
It would be area rugs. We come to your house, pick them up, throw them in the van, and bring them back and clean.
Liza, if there was one thing you could have cleaned by Stanley Steemer, what would you have done?
Oh goodness, I would have many things done, but I know I need air ducts cleaned. They've had it done before. Loved the job they did. My husband loved the job they did, and have my dryer duct cleaned as well, and my wood floors. Nothing looks better than what Stanley Steemer does with floors. At least they just look too pretty.
Thank you. Alina, if there was one thing you could have the guys come out and clean from Stanley Steemer, what would it be?
Let's see, I've got a dog who loves to sit on the couch, so I would definitely have them clean my sofa.
Very smart. Vanessa, if there was one thing that you could have our guys come out and clean in your home, what would it be?
Well, with 4 cats and a dog, that is a lot, but I would have to say area rugs. Zero effort on my part. They come in, take the rugs, and when they deliver them, they put them back in place.
So Maria, if there was anything that you could have cleaned by our guys at Stanley Steemer, what would it be?
I would have my mattresses cleaned. Learning that here at Stanley Steemer, that it's actually a great service. It saves you money, it's great for allergies, and it's something that you never thought that can get cleaned, but it would.
Mike, I know you've worked here quite a while. What is something that you would have Stanley Steemer clean in your home that you maybe didn't think of if you were just a regular customer?
My dishes.
We don't do that.
My dining room chairs.
We do that. Roxanne, I know you've worked here for quite a few years. What is one thing that you would have cleaned by our guys at Stanley Steemer that most people maybe don't think about?
Probably my air duct because I have allergies and it's great for allergens.
If there was one thing that you could have Stanley Steemer come out to your home and do that maybe people don't think about, what would it be?
I would say tile and grout. Due to all of the mopping, I feel like the steam would get to it better.
So, what are some things or thing that you would want Stanley Steemer to come out and clean in your home?
My dryer vents. I didn't know that they cleaned those until I started working here.